this is how we do it.
Hi everyone, welcome to another year of Huddle on the Hilltop. We have 4 new hosts this year. My name's Ava Detorando and I'm a senior on the softball team.
My name's James Anastasopoulos. I'm a senior on the baseball team.
I'm Sage Youngberg, and I'm a senior on the basketball team.
And I'm Cole Hambley, and I'm a senior on the baseball team.
Take 2.
We're here to give you guys some inside scoops on the events and activities that all happen around the Hilltop. And we're excited to give you guys some good content this year.
Deep breath.
This week is super exciting coming up. First, we're going to start with talking to all the sports coaches, including football,
Boys and girls soccer.
Cross country.
And girls volleyball and field hockey.
Can't wait.
Yes.
No doubt.
So excited.
And we're super excited to bring to you the inside scoop on the activities and events around the Hilltop this year.
All right, guys, we're here with Ms. Silva, the cross country coach and also one of the math teachers. I'm James.
I'm Sage.
All right. What are you most excited for about this season?
I'm really excited. This is the first year we've had almost 30 kids, which is a lot in a really long time. We have kids of all levels, so I'm just excited for us to get out and have our first meet tomorrow.
What meet are you most excited for this season?
Our favorite's usually the one at Mariannapolis. It's our only Wednesday meet, but it's probably about 16 schools. It's huge. They give out awards and stuff like that, and everyone usually has a good time.
What are some goals you have for the team this season?
So like I said, we're a team that we have kids who come out and are looking to run in college, and some kids who are like, hey, I just want to give it a shot. So really it's just about everybody improving every single day.
Like, what have you been doing to prepare, like, the student athletes for these meets coming up?
Yeah, so we do a bunch of different type of activities. We have long runs. We'll do track workouts. Today we did a timed mile. We work in the weight room. So we do a lot of different things because, as you can imagine, you can't just literally go out and run like 5 miles every single day. It would just wear you out. So we do try and mix it up.
Last thing, a fun question. You're going to the gas station. What 3 things are you getting?
I guess for a drink, probably a Gatorade.
Yep.
Red.
Red?
I'm kind of partial to red.
Yep.
Probably Bugles. I do like Bugles. I know back in the day I used to put them on my fingers. And for a candy, probably a Kit Kat.
Okay.
Perfect.
So,
That's a good one.
yeah,
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
All right.
guys.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you.
I'm one of your hosts, Cole.
I'm Ava.
And I'm Coach Proctor.
So the first question I have for you, what are some goals in mind you have for the season?
Just being a good team, good teammates, being good citizens in the school, and at the same time it's sport, but having as much fun as we can to take some of the pressure off and just have the best season we can.
And in past years, I know the boys soccer team has had some tough competition, so who are you most excited to play this year? What team?
Next week, so Wednesday next week, Charlie Fuentes, class of 2004, who was a former Spanish teacher here at the school, former player of ours, is the head coach at Choate Rosemary Hall. So that game's always special. So that game's at New Balance Fields next week. And then historically, we've played Northfield Mount Herman, which will be a week on Friday, in Albany at a showcase. But, Worcester and NMH are always 2 of the top 4 teams, and we decided that we were going to bring it back to a traditional home and away at each other's schools. So next Friday night, NMH is coming to town, and it's a big week for us next week with those 2 programs. So a lot of rivalry there, and should be a lot of fun.
So I know summer started for you guys back at Lennox. How excited are you and the guys to go back out there and try to recapture what you guys did? I think it was 2 years ago. 2 years ago.
I mean, we're always there or thereabouts. I think last year a little disappointed to lose on penalties when you're so close to the final, losing in the semi-final, and then obviously the year before being successful. So we have a chance this year, but there's a lot of other good teams out there, and we played a tough team yesterday in BB&N who could have won and certainly could have tied, and we were lucky with a goal from Lee Hennigan with 30 seconds left in the game. So, there's a long way to go.
And finally, if you were stuck on an island, what are 3 things that you would bring?
Well, definitely my cell phone.
Mm-hmm.
Can't live without that these days, I guess. My 3 dogs, my family.
All right. Wow. Thank you so much. Best of luck this season.
Thank you very much.
Coach Bandy, what are your goals for the year?
Obviously win every game, go to a bowl game and finish. They keep score for a reason, right? But I think overall, if we can do a great job of our kids just, being better humans, being better in the classroom, learning what you can get from football. You know, it's the greatest sport ever. You get knocked down, you get up. It's adversity every day. So if our guys can pull that from practicing, playing, you know, winning is kind of the icing on the cake.
This season, what game are you looking forward to the most so far?
The first one.
First one.
Yeah,
Who you playing?
we play. We're down at Capital Prep, a team that we haven't played. It'll be new down at Bridgeport, Connecticut. But I'm old school, man. It's one game at a time.
One at a time, baby.
Yeah.
Love it.
So the first one, yeah, we're getting them ready for the.
All right, so obviously there has been a lot of preparation for these games. What is that looking like?
Yeah, no, we're out here every day, a couple hours a day in the afternoon, and it's been a good camp so far. Had a lot of fun, great leadership from our older guys, and a lot of new faces that are kind of mixing in. And I would say right now, you know, I talked to some other people in the media. You know, this team I think brings a toughness that we haven't had in the past, and they're really hanging their hat on that. And they know what it felt like a year ago with what happened. We had a good year, but not a great year, and they wanna win. So, yeah.
What are your top 3 hype songs pregame?
Oh, all right. Dreams and Nightmares, Meek Mill. Working Man by Rush. And, number 3. Something Notorious Big. I don't know what song, but something Biggie.
That's fair.
Yeah.
That's good. All right, well, best of luck this season.
Thank you so much, guys.
Come out and support.
Appreciate it. We'll love to see you.
That's really the volleyball coaches. So, first question, what are the goals for the season?
So this season, we're really looking for playing as one. It's kind of been our motto this season, playing as one, really getting to encourage each other in a big supportive environment where there's communication and there's a lot of hard work. And that's like our goal every single time we enter the gym.
What is the game that you guys are looking forward to most?
Honestly, I don't think either one of us has a favorite. Every game is a new opportunity to improve and have fun. Yeah.
How have you guys been preparing for the season so far?
Yeah, so every day, you know, today especially, we had a really great practice today. We're really trying to focus on that. When they come in 2 hours, they give us all of that with energy, with enthusiasm, and that's every player. Every player is important. That's kind of what we're trying to build. You know, people that are on the court, people that are you know, maybe not getting as many minutes, but really giving everything they have and you know, intensity.
All right, final question. Who's your favorite volleyball memory? Honestly, I think my favorite volleyball memory has been going to see Bryant with our current team, actually just reminiscing on my time in college and getting to see that in a whole new light with them.
Yeah, I would definitely say that's one of my highlights. We got to see Nina, who's you know, an alumni. We got to see her play. My favorite coaching memory here at Worcester Academy has got to be a big game. I think it was Nina's and Sydney's second year here, so my second year, and we beat Kingswood Oxford, and it was a big upset, and so we you know, made it to the playoffs due to that win. So it was probably one of my favorite years.
All right, thank you. Good luck this season.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So we're here with the head coach of girls varsity soccer, Miss Marino, and our first question for you is, what are you excited for this season?
I'm just excited to see all the hard work that the girls have put in from last year to now come to fruition, and really see them work together and see everything we've been working for kind of come out on the field.
Good to hear. So I know the overarching goal is to, you know, bring a title back to the Hilltop. What are some other goals that you and the team alike have in mind this year?
I mean, to me, the results are going to be what they're going to be. And yes, I think, you know, we all want to achieve the best results we can, but our main goal is to be the most connected team on and off the field. And I feel like if we build the connection in the right way and the way we want to, and do things the right way off the field, it's going to spill out on the field. And those things are really tied together. And so to me, if we can be the most connected team on and off the field in everything that we do, and that can spill into the way we play, that's how I think the results, you know, will be what they're going to be, and that's how we're going to maximize our results. So if we focus on that, that's how we're going to achieve the most as a group.
And I know the girls have a good record of making it to playoffs, you know, high stakes games. So what team are you most excited or nervous to play this year?
I think we've developed a great rivalry with our friends down the road at BB&N, just because of the intense games and the number of high stakes games we've had with them, both in the regular season and in the playoffs over the years. Other opponent that I would put in that category where we've kind of developed a natural rivalry because of the high stakes games we've matched up with them in the regular season and the playoffs is Choate Rosemary Hall. But then I'm just excited for our whole schedule. We play the most Class A teams that out of really any team, and then even our Class B opponents are really, really tough and formidable. So, I love our schedule because it's really challenging, and there really aren't too many easy games, and we play a really nice even slate of Western New England teams and the Boston area New Hampshire teams. So we kind of get a sampling of everyone.
All right, so our last question we got for you. Now, I know I'm pretty superstitious when it comes to baseball. Are there any superstitions that you have maybe before a game, before a practice that come to mind?
I developed one around my footwear, so I'm definitely superstitious about like the shoes I'm wearing, and if things are going well, even if I want to wear a different pair of shoes to a certain game, I'll just keep wearing the shoes that I have until things start not going well, and then I feel like sometimes changing the footwear can kind of reset the vibes. But now I probably jinx myself, so my lucky shoes will become unlucky. Hopefully not. But we also make our own luck, so that's the important thing.
All right, that's all we have. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.